Bitcoin had another severe drop over the weekend. We can see we dropped from around $69,000 down to $65,000 down here. And I have to say, it doesn't look good. We broke critical support right here. We can see this was a channel where Bitcoin was playing in, and we broke down. So this also, it's now a rising wedge that is already below the support right here. Doesn't look good. Price target of this one, I would say, would be the $60,000. Let's see if it will go there or not. But yeah, you have to be very careful right now. Bitcoin is quite volatile. We can see here lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low. We have another downtrend here forming, so we have to be careful with that. Let's see what will happen in the next upcoming days. For now, we had a nice bounce here. If we go on the 15-minute chart, we can see here we dropped to 65k, 64,900, and up from there a bounce to around $67,000. Now it's very important for Bitcoin. It looks like we're having here some type of double bottom, but we have to be careful right now. The market is not super bullish. There's a lot of geopolitical circumstances going on right now, so that's why you have to be very, very careful. And that's why we are shorting the market in the VIP group. Join with the link down below if you haven't joined yet. And let me know what's your thought on the current market. For now, I'm very, very careful with my positions. I'm not jumping into any trades that I don't feel will play out with a high certainty. I'm definitely patient on the sidelines. I have my shorts. Besides that, I'm waiting to enter for spot positions and to enter for new swing trade positions. Now let's take a look at Ethereum also, which dropped. Had a big drop. Look at this. Dropped around $50. That's quite a severe drop right here. Let's look at it. So since Saturday, dropped around 5%, had a nice rebound here, and it's looking like it's creating some higher highs here on the 50-minute chart. So let's see, we might have a reversal for Ethereum, but for now, it doesn't look good. Be careful out there. I'm waiting. I already told you my entry prices for Ethereum. Let's go over here on the daily so we can see them more clearly. I want to buy Ethereum here on the yellow line at around $1,400. That's where I want to buy Ethereum. I might start a little bit earlier, maybe 1,500, just in case we're not going to go so low. But that's where I want to buy Ethereum for the long term. Till then, I'm shorting it. I'll probably take some profits on the way, maybe 1,750, 1,600 also. Until then, I'm very careful. Now, altcoins, I wouldn't touch any altcoins, guys. Altcoins are super dangerous. They drop so strong and they also pump, so they weak you out all the time. Look at it, they added the new Doge feature, which is quite cool. Now, we can see here, let's actually go over here on the 15-minute chart so we can see how altcoins are basically tricking all the people. Look at this. Doge here is pumping up here, 10% pump, 10% dump, and it's literally liquidating the people. Like we were at 10 cents 43 just around 2 weeks ago, and look at this. Since then, it dropped 16%. So if you were long more than 10x, you already got wiped out. So you have to be very, very careful with this kind of moves. Please always use a stop loss, like that you can save yourself from this volatility. That's very important, and a nice trick like that. Even if the market goes in the wrong direction, you can still be relaxed because you have your stop loss that's saving you from liquidations. That's one of the most important rules in crypto. Always use a stop loss, like that you are protecting yourself. Now, it's tricky right now. I'm not so bullish, I have to say. Not very bullish. Let's check out gold a little bit. Also, we had this big move for gold here up to $5,600, and now big drop also. We dropped, how much is that? Almost 30%, 27% here for gold since the peak here. So you have to be very careful out there, guys. It's definitely not the right time to open too high leverage. If you want to open leverage trades, use the 5x and always use a stop loss. Like that, you are on the safer side. Now, would I buy gold? Not for now. I'm waiting also. I think we might see another drop. So be careful. Now, market is very shaky, so take your profits if you have some. Now I think it's not the right time to open a short position. I would wait for that as well. The time to open a short position was when the market pumped, when we opened the shorts in the previous videos. You can go and watch them back. Now it's time for patiently waiting on the sidelines. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time.